right now I'm going to show you, this is our new product that I'm showing right now. The product is R02T-EXT-NPW. This is our non-powered VGA extenders. This is a set item. It comes with one receiver and one transmitter. The transmitter also has a USB cable attached to it, which for the USB support to draw power from. Now this is, like I said, this is our non-powered, so it doesn't require any external AC adapters. So first, you will have to plug in the VGA extender transmitter to a source, and right now I'll be using just a generic laptop, HP PC laptop. It's like useful if you have on a conference meeting, just bring it with you. So I'll be using an HP laptop, and for display, I'll be using a Visual TV. And the extension I'm going to extend to is 500 feet. Our product supports up to 500 feet and up to 1920 by 1440 resolution. But that's limited by the resolution, depends on what TV you're using also. Each TV has different max resolutions. So for now, first you will connect the transmitter to the laptop, like so. Plug the USB into any USB port that you have available. And on here, once you do, you notice the colors, green and orange. Green means it's powered, and orange is the signal. And after that, you would connect the cable to the one end of the transmitter, and on the other end, for the other end, you would want to connect it to the receiver side. And on the receiver, connect the receiver to the back of the TV or into the VGA input of the TV. Now, after you do, turn the TV on and the computer on, and you will want to transfer the image from the PC to the TV using any hotkey that's assigned to the computer. And right now you notice I'm running at, you notice the pattern on the back. This is our test pattern. You'll be seeing no skew. The color brightness is pretty good, and I'm running at 1024 768. But it could go higher, but the TV depends on the TV. Some can't do it. Now, one point to notice is on the receiver unit, we have 3 switches, or one switch, high-low gain switch, and EQ and gain toggle. Now, I'm going to demonstrate right now what happens for the high-low gain switch. That's used for depending on what length you're using. Right now, since we're using 500 feet, it's just the max length, we have to toggle to high, to the H for high. But let me show you what happens when I toggle to low. As you can see, when I toggle to a low, the brightness dims significantly. That's because the low gives like a certain range of brightness, while high gives a higher range of brightness. You can go back to high. And also, you can also fine-tune it. Since we have a gain adjustment, you can also fine-tune the brightness. Like you want it dimmer, you can dimmer. Brighter, you can bring it brighter. And also we have the EQ. Now EQ is to fine-tune, like if you see skewing or anything, you will use EQ to adjust with. But let me just show you a bad version. Right now, this is like EQ at the lowest, or one setting of EQ. Like let's say you see right now like ghosting or color running off. Basically ghosting right now, you will fine-tune it with the EQ to make it to more crisper. If you overcompensate it, it also has problems too. But right now, after adjusting it from the ghosting to non-ghosting, and it looks perfect right now.